Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change the margins in Canva Docs. So I want to note that if it's any other thing other than Canva Doc, like a normal presentation, you do have a traditional margins here. Like the way you tackle it is File, Settings, and then Show Margins here, right? And there is a margin, a traditional margin right there. But if it's Canva Docs, for some whatever reason, if you press File, Settings, there's no margin layout here. So we have to compromise and we're going to have to do this manually. I'm going to do an example here. I'm just going to do a template and I'm just going to do this, a price list, right? And it'll look like this. And maybe you want to change the margin, like, oh, it's too close to the edges. No good. So the Gorilla method we can do this is by going to share and then we can go to download. And I'm going to make it a PDF standard as well. I'm going to download, right? And I'm going to wait for it to download. Give it a second. And I'm going to open it right here, right? And it'll look like this, right? And I want to change the margins of only the top one here. You can use a PDF to PNG converter, or you can use a screenshot software. I'm just going to use a screenshot software right here. I'm going to screenshot the very corner here, and I'm going to do it until the end of here, right? And I have a picture of it saved. Now I'm going to delete all of this. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. I'm basically just going to delete everything, right? Delete, 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 delete. Press start accidentally. Just delete everything. I'm just going to delete. Give it a second. Now, once everything is deleted, I'm going to upload the screenshot I got earlier, which is here. And from here, you can now technically adjust the margins because it's up to you now how big it is and how close it is to the side, just like this, right? And for example, I want to make it just a little bit bigger like this, right? And Canva is still a bit stingy with how they do images. Like if I drag it out too much, it'll just snap onto the edges here. And I'm trying to hold Control or Shift so it doesn't auto snap, but it won't let me. So you'll have to be really careful with it. I'm just going to resize this real quick. Actually, I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to add it again. There you go. Just like that.